For the first time in its life, this chick is alone. Winds now regularly reach 70 miles an hour. But the albatross chicks must try to stay on their nests. Surviving the storm is one thing. But now, off the nest in these freezing temperatures, this chick has just hours to live. The brutal conditions have taken their toll. Some chicks have already succumbed to exposure. The bond is so strong, it can be hard for a father to let go. More parents are returning to the colony. Something is not right. The nest should not be empty. The chick is actually right below its parent, but because it's not on the nest, the parent doesn't recognize it and doesn't help it. Strangely, perhaps, these albatross do not recognize their chicks by sight, sound, or smell. They identify them by finding them on the nest. If it is to survive, the chick will have to get back on the nest by itself. The chick has made it. The bond is re-established immediately, and its parent once again provides the warmth that the chick so desperately needs.